Hello everyone, this is the tutorial to show how to update the firmware on the CM-150 in case you need it. So let's say it's turned on now, and so I'm using Plus Manager version 2. Choose over the stream, click on update and test. I'm using right now a USB cable. So let's go in, and it should be the virtual comp or whatever it happened to be on your machine. For me, it's 19, COM19. Next. Found it, I think. Let's see. Okay, you can see right now current version is 23, and you need to go to 30, so it will update. Yes, I want to. So you see it power off. Connect it again, hold it for 5 seconds until you hear 3 beeps. So I'm turning it off now. And then I'm turning it on, I have to hold. 1, 2, that's not it. Okay, here we go. 3, I release it. Go on. Virtual COM port again. Connect it. Bootloader detected. Good. Let's do it. Very good. So now let's connect it. So when you go back in again, oh, I forgot, you have to turn it on again. Refresh. Here we go. See, everything is updated to the latest version 30. And here we go. So it's connected and it's working.